Hello there! Today, I'll show you how to wrap text around a circle using Canva. To start, go to the Elements tab, search for Circle, and drag a circle onto your canvas from the Graphics category. Next, go to the Text tab and add your text. In the text toolbar, click on Effect. Scroll down on the left side and find Curve. Click on it and adjust the slider as needed to curve the text around the circle. You can also add text in the center of the circle. Additionally, you can wrap text around a circular image. Return to the Elements tab, click on Frames. And drag a circle frame onto the canvas. Adjust its position accordingly. Drag an image onto the canvas. Move the text aside and place the image inside the circle frame. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.